Cartoons. They are a universal language that transcends age, culture, and geography. They make us laugh and cry, evoking a wide range of emotions. They take us on fantastic adventures, transporting us to worlds beyond our imagination. But have you ever wondered how these moving pictures are made? The process is as fascinating as the cartoons themselves. It's a magical process that starts with an idea and involves many talented artists. From brainstorming sessions to sketching initial designs, every step is crucial. Let's peek behind the scenes and see how cartoons come to life. The journey from concept to screen is truly remarkable. From Mickey Mouse to SpongeBob SquarePants, cartoons have entertained us for decades, becoming an integral part of our culture. They can be funny, dramatic, scary, or educational. Each cartoon has its unique way of connecting with the audience. Whether hand-drawn or computer-generated, cartoons have a special way of capturing our imagination. The techniques may vary, but the magic remains the same. Ready to learn the secrets of cartoon creation? There's so much to discover. Let's start with the first step, writing the story and planning the action. Every great cartoon begins with a compelling script and a well-thought-out storyboard. Every cartoon starts with an idea. It could be a simple thought that sparks creativity or a complex concept that requires detailed planning. Maybe it's a funny situation, an exciting adventure, or a heartwarming story. These initial ideas are the seeds from which the entire cartoon will grow. The idea is developed into a script, like a movie script, with dialogue and descriptions of the action. This script serves as the blueprint for the entire project, guiding the team through each scene and interaction. Once the script is ready, artists create a storyboard. This visual representation helps to translate the written word into images. The storyboard is like a giant comic book of the cartoon. It breaks down the story into individual scenes, showing how each moment will unfold visually. It shows each scene with rough sketches and notes. These rough sketches are crucial for visualizing the flow of the story and ensuring that every detail is accounted for. The storyboard helps the filmmakers plan the flow of the story and how each scene will look. It acts as a visual guide, ensuring that everyone on the team is on the same page. The storyboard is a crucial step because it lays the foundation for the entire cartoon. Without it, the team would lack direction and cohesion. It's much easier to make changes at this stage than later in the production. Adjustments can be made quickly and efficiently, saving time and resources down the line. Now it's time to design the characters and backgrounds. Character designers create the look of each character, their body shape, facial features, expressions, and colors. They want the characters to be appealing and memorable. Background artists create the world where the cartoon takes place. This could be anything from a cozy living room to a magical forest. The backgrounds set the mood and atmosphere for the story. Character design and background design work together to create the visual style of the cartoon. They are essential for bringing the story to life. Section 4. Bringing drawings to life animation techniques. Animation is where the magic truly happens. It's the process of creating the illusion of movement by displaying a series of drawings or images in rapid succession. There are two main types of animation, traditional and digital. In traditional animation, artists draw every frame by hand. In digital animation, computers are used to create the images and movements. Whether using pencils or pixels, animators breathe life into the characters and make them move and talk. Section 5. Voices and sounds, adding life to the pictures. With the animation complete, it's time to add voices and sounds. Voice actors record the characters' dialogue, bringing their personalities to life through their voices. Sound effects artists add all the other sounds like footsteps, crashes, and background noises. Music composers create the soundtrack, which sets the mood and adds emotion to the story. Sound and music are crucial for creating an immersive and engaging experience for the audience. They can make a cartoon even funnier, scarier, or more exciting. Section 6. The final touch. Editing and completing the cartoon. The final stage is editing. This is where all the hard work comes together. Editors meticulously go through each frame, ensuring that the animation is seamless and the story is coherent. Editors assemble all the pieces of the cartoon, including the animation, voices, sound effects, and music. They synchronize the audio with the visuals, making sure that every sound effect and piece of dialogue is perfectly timed. They make sure everything flows smoothly and tells the story in the best way possible. This involves multiple rounds of review and feedback, where the team discusses and refines each scene. Color correction and special effects might be added during editing to enhance the visuals. These adjustments ensure that the colors are vibrant and the special effects add to the storytelling without being distracting. Finally, the cartoon is rendered in its final format, ready to be shared with the world. This rendering process can take hours or even days, depending on the complexity of the animation. Creating a cartoon is a complex process involving many talented individuals. From the initial concept to the final edit, each person plays a crucial role in bringing the story to life. But when all the pieces come together, the result is pure magic. The joy and satisfaction of seeing the completed cartoon make all the hard work worthwhile.